Hey guys, we have an unboxing here of the LG 7 ThinQ, and can we all just agree let's just call this LG 7 for now on. Now, dumb name aside, I love the LG V30, so extremely excited for this phone. And let's unbox it. So LG box is always great to unbox. On the front we have the G7 logo. And on the side, hey Google, so this has a Google Assistant button, and that's a lot better than having a Bixby button. So yeah guys, not much going on there, but we have the LG logo at the top there. And let's unbox it. Alright, so right on top we have the G7. And usually LG has a lot of good stuff inside it. Actually, we have a cloth on top, so that's pretty cool. And then the G7, so getting that in a few seconds. We've got a welcome package, so I think, yeah, there's some instructions there. And let's see. I think this is probably the manuals and maybe the SIM card. Yep, just some manuals there. Alright guys, so we have the wall adapter, we have a USB Type-C cable. No headphone adapter on this because the phone does have the headphone jack, so huge props to LG there. But this is just a converter if you want to convert USB to Type-C. And another converter, so this is USB-C to USB-C. Pretty cool guys, a lot of good stuff here. And are these, I think these may be B&O. Actually guys, not B&O, so let me just see what type of headphones these are. Let's see what we got. Okay, so LG branded. I'll probably do a review on this and I'll let you guys know what I think about them. And now let's get to the phone. Oh, and almost forgot guys, we did get 2 earbuds. Man guys, this, I really have to give LG a lot of credit for this. Really nice box. And they're pretty generous in terms of what they give out. You know what guys, we'll just keep the cloth out if you want to clean the phone. So yeah, definitely one of the best boxes I've unboxed in a while. Now this phone has a super bright display, actually the brightest for any phone on the market. And yeah, AI cam, we'll go over the rest of this stuff later. The boombox speaker, it only has one speaker, but it's supposed to be pretty good. And the Google Assistant key. Alright, so this is double-sided, gonna take it nice and slow. Pretty beautiful design and a lot like the V30. Now, as I've said before guys, the LG V30, my favorite design for any phone of 2017. And let me just show you guys a quick look at that. Let's go ahead and wipe them down. I'll have a more in-depth comparison in a few seconds, but just a quick look at the design. So yeah guys, definitely pretty beautiful looking. Now for previous LG phones, the power button's on the back right there with the fingerprint. But on this, it's right here on the side. So not a big deal, but I think it's a better placement having on the side of the phone right there. Just easier to access it. Pretty quick boot up there, and yeah guys, I'll put my info on me back in a few. Alright guys, I'm loving the phone so far, and let's go over the specs next. The phone has a 6.1-inch Quad HD screen display, and it's the brightest for any on the market. Now on the front you do the notch right there, but it looks like LG does a pretty good job of hiding it. So let me just see, for example, if I go in, yeah, so if you go in most apps, you can't really see it. Even for Chrome, I mean, I guess there's different ways you can do it. But yeah, guys, I like the way LG handles the notch for it. The front-facing camera is 8MP. And the V30 front-facing camera, that was pretty awful, so hopefully this one is better. And on the back, we have two cameras. Both of them are 16MP, and the second one on this is wide angle. So yeah, guys, most second cameras are, actually, let me show you that real quick. Let's see, we'll bring in Yoshi for this. Alright, so let's just go record a video. You know what, guys? This is kind of unfortunate. I don't think that you can, I could be wrong about this, but I don't think you can switch while doing video for it. But at least for the photos, we definitely should be able to for that. So for just taking photos, you have regular and wide angle. But once again, guys, you can't switch during video for it. Now the phone has 64GB internal storage and microSD card support. You have a 3000 capacity battery, Snapdragon 45, 4GB of RAM. The phone is waterproof IP68, has fingerprint scanner on the back, USB Type-C at the bottom, and also it does have a headphone jack. Now the LG 7 Plus ThinQ, if you guys want me to say the full name for that, that one is available only in a few places, and two big differences with that one. So with that, you get 128GB internal storage rather than 64, and you get 6GB of RAM rather than 4, but again, guys, that's pretty limited. So guys, let's go ahead and take a quick look, just a very quick comparison versus the V30. Alright guys, so on the left is the LG V30, on the right the LG G7. And let's just do a quick comparison and differences between them. On the front you have a minor notch there on the G7, but yeah guys, LG does an amazing job of hiding that though. And this changing the angle, I mean, if you really look for it, you can see it, but yeah, guys, in my opinion, not that bad. And it is cool having like the notifications right there at the very top of it. The display is also 6.0 inches versus 6.1, and more importantly, the brightest display for any phone on the market. Aside from that, you're upgrading the cameras, the Snapdragon 45, 835, but you are actually downgrading in a couple areas. The battery's smaller, so actually you have to test it out, see how the battery life is. And there's other minor things, guys, like you have the power button on the side rather than on the back. You have the Google AI Assistant right there. But aside from that, guys, we'll be doing a full comparison of these two in the future. So yeah, guys, loving the phone so far. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe for more. And lots of videos coming pretty soon.